Okay, good evening, afternoon, morning, everyone. So what we got in here, we have, oh shit, essential curve monitor from, what's that? From Samsung. It's a curve, 24-inch. We're gonna unboxing this one right now. Okay. So first I saw we got the power plug, the HDMI cables, and user guide. And nobody got time for that. So now let's begin to setting up. I put my CPU here. No, it's not with my PS4. The speaker already setting up there. So hey, hello. Okay. So the button is on behind of this monitor. Just press it, it's automatically detected HDMI or analog or whatever it is. So let's see. Turn on. Wait for it. Yeah. Okay, so I can see here from the side it's doing better to play such shooting games or football. Yeah, it's have white screen there. And the curve, I don't know what the point of it. I just take it. It sounds better. Okay. Wow. Alright. So the resolution is nice, as you can see here. Good. Now let's try to play. Okay. Don't have any this inside, so maybe just try Infamous First Lights. That's good. This is the lights. Let me try turning off. Okay. That's all my review for that. Oh wait, there's a analog button at the back. So there is a menu. You can just see the menu here. They got pictures, on-screen display system. You can change the brightness, contrast, sharpness, colors. So let's see. I want to change where's the game mode? There is no game mode. You can see this is dynamic contrast, dynamic, standard, and custom. Let's see standard. Let's Samsung Magic. We call this Samsung Magic Upscale. What is that? Mode 1, 2. How much different if you use a CPU to be much look different. On screen display system. Freeze, synchronize. Yeah, if you use AMD. What's called? I don't know, not PC Master Race. If you use they say they have AMD freezing. So I can synchronize with that. I don't know, it's gonna be better feature or what. I'm not sure. Let's see again. Let me switch. Okay, this eye saver mode. Okay, this is some. Okay, so look like that. So it will be saving the energy as well. I thought this would turn off the power, turn off the monitor. Okay, that's it. So that's all. See you guys. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe. Also share it if it's necessary. Bye.